what do you think are the key challenges that are arising from the compliance to, cybersecurity regulations, where you were talking about PDPL specifically?
Again, I think consent would be probably the one of the main topics that we have already discussed. Another would be perhaps the transfer of data and how what if it is indeed transferred, and there are obviously challenges around it in the jurisdictions that you're operating, not only within the GDPR but also, for example, in Saudi Arabia as well, where a lot of regulators around the world are taking the approach that it has to be stored locally. So there are challenges with that transfer as well. And also in terms of what cybersecurity protocols have you deployed on that. And for corporates, obviously, it's a very difficult and murky world, because you have so many solutions, so many consultants who would say that their solution is the best. So I think the strategy should be to basically obviously start with a very, very good consultant, so that he can find the better solutions. You can say, I don't think there is a best cybersecurity solution in the world at the moment, or even if there is, I think the hackers or people who are working on the wrong side of the technology are perhaps one step ahead of them. But I think in order to look for a better solution, it is very important to have a good consultant, to have consultants who have had a track record of helping the companies, so that you can potentially avoid any of the issues like maybe what happened yesterday, or we saw very recently when Heathrow airport was shut down for one whole day, and investigations are being carried out. I don't think there's an official statement out yet whether that was a result of a cyber attack as well.